Abrasion is the breaking down and wearing away of rock material by the mechanical action of other rock. يعني in other words, small rocks move over and rub a big rock. Okay, small rocks, small particles move when they move over hardly, when they move over another rock, they will break down from this rock by rubbing, by the friction. Okay, this is very clear. It will be also clear when you watch another video. I will send it. So let's talk here about the abrasion. We said it's the breaking down of rocks by other small rocks. It can take place by three factors: wind or water or by gravity. Gravity can move glaciers or landslides down. We'll talk about everyone. Now, the wind, as you know, after breaking down the rocks to small particles, the wind will move these small particles with it. Then, while the particles are moving with the wind, they can rub other big rocks, like if the wind is moving beside a mountain. Okay, these particles will rub against the mountain, causing the rocks of the mountain to be weathered too. The same thing can be done by the water, like in this video. The water is moving. When the water is moving, it will move with it the small weathered particles or sediments that were weathered from the rocks. While these sediments are moving with the water, they can rub from the other rocks. This is called abrasion. Okay. Also, the same can take place by the landslides and the glaciers. What are glaciers? Glaciers, big bulk of ice and rocks that can move down because of gravity all over the way. It can take with it from all over the way from the particles of the rocks, and at the same time also it can abrade more rocks, like what I will show you here, like this. Here is the glacier. The glacier can move down all over the way by erosion, for sure. The small particles of rock can rub all over the other rocks. This will cause abrasion. This will cause abrasion. This is abrasion. It can take place by the glaciers or even by landslides. Finally, the last factor of or agent of physical weathering is the action of the plants. The action of the plants actually is very clear, very easy. It looks exactly like ice wedging. How? Like when we talk about ice wedging, we said the differences between the temperature at day and night make the difference in cause the freezing of the water and expanding of the water. This cause increasing in the size of the crack. Exactly that what happened because of the plant's roots. First, the plant grows small roots. The small roots can grow down through the soil. then the plant grows bigger and bigger. This will increase the size and the structure of the roots. The roots become stronger, become bigger, they grow deeper in the soil. Finally they can reach the rock that is under the soil. If the roots grow inside small cracks, the growing of the roots can increase the crack size and finally can wither the rock and break it and split it into smaller rocks. That's it. This is the action of the plants. Like this, we are done from the physical weathering. The next week, inshallah, we'll continue with the chemical weathering. See you. Assalamu alaikum.